Over the past 6 decades, Ford has peppered its lineup with high-performance Mustang models aimed at speed. By the 2000s, even base model Mustangs were leaving the factory packing as much as 300 horsepower. Here, we count down the 5 most powerful Mustangs Ford has ever built. Another name pulled from some of the earliest Mustangs, the Mach 1, was revived in earnest in 2004. Using the Mustang GT as a base, Ford added some minor exterior and interior styling differences and a little more power, bringing the 2021 Mach 1's horsepower to 480. The Shelby GT500 of the 1960s was massaged by legendary racing driver Carroll Shelby and his company to pack incredible power into a relatively inexpensive car. And Ford kept the same spirit in 2007 with a supercharged 5.4-liter V8, upgraded brakes and suspension, and even some racing stripes to earn the Shelby GT500 500 horsepower. Arriving in mid-2023, the Mustang Dark Horse takes the GT's 480 horsepower engine and ups it to an even 500, thanks to various changes that allow the engine to rev up to 7,500 RPM. As a fully electric Mustang looms, consider the Dark Horse something of a last hurrah. The 2015 Shelby GT350 Mustang represented some of the most radical structural changes for the car since the late 1970s. Not only did that make standard Mustangs more livable for people renting one on vacation, but it also prepared the performance models to turn up the power to 586 horsepower. The ultimate factory-made Stang is the 2020 Shelby GT500, which packs more horsepower than even some third-party tuners have given the car, bestowing it with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8. Paired with numerous upgrades to the brakes and suspension, Ford was able to get its 760 horsepower onto the road with the 2020 Shelby GT500. For more information on the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs, visit the Capital One Auto Learning Center in the link below and follow our channel.